So, when you shop for olive oil, there are 5 things that you want to check. The first is it comes in a dark colored glass or metallic tin bottle. And the reason for that is that the darker color prevents oxidation from happening, and the metal or glass bottle limits the amount of oxidation because it seals it tightly and doesn't leach chemicals like the plastic bottles do. For instance, California Olive Ranch and Grazza both are in plastic bottles that you can squeeze. Olive oil is high in fat, and fat is very good at absorbing the chemicals that it is contained in. So if you are containing an olive oil in a plastic bottle, that means the chemicals of the plastic will likely leach into your olive oil and then into your salad. So the first thing you want to look for is the bottle itself. The second thing you want to look for is organic. Now, why organic matters? Olives are one of the most highly pesticide sprayed crops. So if it's not organic, it means that you would likely be having pesticide along with your olive oil. The third thing that matters is extra virgin here. Extra virgin simply means that it is lower in acidity and higher in polyphenol containment. It also means that it is minimally processed and maximally dense in nutrients. The fourth thing you want to look for is the source. The most preferred source is estate grown or single origin. It says something like state produced, family estate sourced, family farms, all of these. And why single origin or estate grown matters is because oftentimes estate grown or single origin means that they all come from the same farm, which means that there's a consistent quality and they're often harvested and milled on the same day. That guarantees freshness. Also, it reduces the risk of adulteration or mixing with other cheaper oils. Finally, that said, what you want to look for is the harvest date. Just because it's estate grown doesn't necessarily mean that it has the best harvest date. For instance, if you look at this olive oil, not a hater, but it lists that the harvest date is 2024, 2025, not necessarily specifying what date it is, but given that it's 2024/5, it still falls within the range that we want to look for, which is 12 to 18 months from the date of purchase. That's it. Those are the 5 tips. First is the bottle, darker color bottle or metallic tin, glass bottle. Second is that it is single origin sourced. Third is organic. Fourth is extra virgin. And fifth is the harvest date. I hope this helps. Follow for more tips on non-toxic living in the city.